Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a brand new 2016 Forest River Freedom Expressway. 2016 Coachman Freedom Expressway 276 RKDS. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Great new floor plan, lightweight with double slide outs, bed slide, and huge closets for 2016, power awning, electric tongue jack, electric stab jacks, big 2-door fridge, microwave oven, DVD audio system with outside speakers, air conditioning, Bluetooth backup, and security cameras, alloy wheels, triple entry steps, and so much more. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.